Imagine if scientists just guessed everything. No experiments, no proof, just vibes. What if someone said, hey, maybe eating rocks makes you smarter, and we all just believed it? Luckily, science doesn't work like that. It follows a superpower called the scientific method. The reason we know what's true and what's just, well, nonsense. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see why this method is the backbone of every great discovery. Imagine a world where people believed anything they heard. Oh wait, that actually happened. In the past, doctors thought leeches could cure every disease, and people believed tomatoes were poisonous. The scientific method fixed that by testing, observing, and proving things right or wrong. So yeah, thanks to science, we know tomatoes won't kill us. Comment below, what's the weirdest thing you once believed was true? If we didn't have the scientific method, we'd still be living in caves. No electricity, bye-bye Wi-Fi. No airplanes, say goodbye to vacations. No phones, wait, no TikTok? Every invention came from trial, error, and proof, aka the scientific method. If you could invent one thing, what would it be? Drop your wildest ideas below in comments. Ever argued with someone who says, I just feel like the earth is flat? The scientific method makes sure we don't just rely on gut feelings. Instead, we test, collect evidence, and prove things, so facts win over opinions. Like this video if you've ever won an argument with facts. If doctors didn't test medicines, we'd still be drinking weird potions for every sickness. Thanks to the scientific method, we have checkmark cures for diseases, checkmark, safe surgeries, checkmark, a longer life expectancy. Yeah, science literally saves lives. Tag a friend who always Googles their symptoms instead of trusting science. Without the scientific method, we wouldn't know how big the universe is, or that gravity keeps us from floating away. It helped us go from thinking Earth was the center of everything to realizing we're just a tiny dot in a massive universe. The scientific method isn't just for scientists, it's for everyone who asks questions and finds answers. It's the reason we have inventions, technology, medicine, and even space exploration. Next time you hear something wild, ask, where's the proof? That's how you think like a scientist. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another brain-boosting video. Turn on notifications, because next time, we're diving into another mind-blowing science mystery.